Hey guys, it's Witness here. Just going to do a little sound comparison before and after aftermarket exhaust. So pretty much everything I have on here right now is stock. The only thing I've done aftermarket to the bike is it's all cosmetic. Uh, so you can see it still has the stock exhaust on there. So like I said, everything else is cosmetic like that right there. The seat cowl, little things like tank pads and frame sliders, wheel stripes, basic stuff. All right, let's go ahead and start it up for you. Alright guys, so here's the after video. We went ahead and installed the system. Now I've had it on for actually a couple weeks, so this isn't right after the install. So it's had a little bit of time to break in. It's had a little bit of time to get warmed up. I just took her for a spin, so she's nice and warm now. So we'll go ahead and start it up for you. Well, there you go. I don't know how well this video is going to do it justice, but in person I could tell you this thing sounds really, really mean. Uh, it sounds like a MotoGP bike, honestly. When you let go of the throttle, when you decel, you get the popping just like a MotoGP bike, but it doesn't sound obnoxious. It sounds deep and throaty. It's a really, really nice exhaust. I definitely felt a weight savings on the back end. I don't know so much about a power increase. That so much I didn't really feel. But it's definitely a sweet sounding exhaust. I'll give it that much. And it really complements the tail end of the R1. It's nice and contoured. Oh, there you have it, guys. That's the Graves Link exhaust for the R1.